5 Best VPNs, Quick Overview by ITFO. If you're looking for quick answers, we've put together this brief overview of our top 5 VPN picks. You'll find in-depth analysis of each one directly below. 1. NordVPN 6. Price $3.09 per month. NordVPN is our top recommendation as the best VPN for most people overall. With easy-to-use apps, bulletproof security, loads of features, and fastest speeds around. 2. ExpressVPN from $6.67 per month. The best VPN for beginners excels in ease of use. It does everything, so it's perfect for anyone who's worried that VPNs might be a bit complicated to use. 3. Surfshark from $2.19 per month. The best cheap VPN, and also the fastest. Budget-friendly and high quality. It's consistently been the fastest service. 4. Private Internet Access from $2.03 per month. The oldest and best VPN for Linux distros and torrenting securely. If you need reassurance, it's proven its no-logs policy in court, twice. 5. Privado VPN, paid version from $1.48 per month. The best free VPN, but there are so many drawbacks. If you're only planning to use a VPN sparingly, or one time for something trivial, Privado is best.